Hello my beautiful happiness hustlers. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your Instagram feed that's longer than 1 minute. It's basically known as IGTV, so welcome to a complete tutorial to IGTV. My name's Veena V, so lovely to meet you. If you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you do, because I'm here to give you the best social media tutorials for beginners, and I want to get you started on YouTube. You clearly want to get visible in your business or your brand by using videos. There's only one long-term marketing strategy that you need. To find out more and to access a 60-minute free masterclass, go to 10kyourway.com. Let's get into the tutorial then right now. Okay, so the first thing, we're obviously going to open up Instagram app and we're going to click on the big plus symbol at the bottom of the screen. Now, when you do this, you'll be presented with all your photos and videos from your phone gallery. We want to click on the video that we want. And can you see, on purpose, I've created a video that's more than 1 minute so I can show you how to upload these longer videos to your Instagram feed that turns into IGTV. So we're going to click on that video that's more than 1 minute long. So I am just gonna, then you're gonna have two options right now. So you can share it as a short video, but it's gonna clip off the end of your video because it only goes up to 1 minute. So what we wanna do is hit long video, and that is your IGTV video, all right? The next thing you wanna do is add a thumbnail to your video. Thumbnails are so important, whether it be YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, because that's the first thing that people see. So you need to make it eye-catching. You don't want the image to be dark. You want people to actually click on it and watch your video. And what you can do, you've got two options here. You can either get a thumbnail picture from the video itself. So can you see what I'm doing? I'm simply scrolling across the video into where there's so we can have a nice smile there. Or I've already taken a picture and I can add that from my gallery, okay? So I'm gonna click on add from gallery right now. Can you see? And then I'm going to click on that first one. Oh, actually, let me choose, if we're going to choose a different one, look, shall I do this random one of me jumping up and down, or this one? Yeah, that looks a bit better, doesn't it? That one of me and the flowers in the back. So next thing, you're going to press next. Now this part, don't miss it out. It's very important that you put a title in, and you can post a preview. 100% post a preview, because that video is going to be one that sits on your Instagram feed. Okay, and then what happens is after 1 minute, a little kind of icon will come up and it will say keep watching. Somebody will click on that and they'll keep watching it on your IGTV channel. All right, so I'm just gonna put, I don't know, YouTube tips. And then in the description, I want to be putting a call to action, okay? So whether you're developing a brand at the moment or a business, always be funneling people from social media into something of yours, whether it's a free download, another video they want to watch. Just give them the opportunity to do something next after they've watched this video. So I'm going to just put something, I would obviously make this much longer, but I'm just going to put 5 tips. 5 YT tips for beginners. It's going to take me too long to type, but then I'm also going to write something like, for your free training on how you can get started on YouTube, go to 10kyourway.com. So I've put a call to action in that description. All right, then we can do things like edit the preview. You can do things like edit the profile cover, so that thumbnail we talked about before, and you can also make it visible on Facebook as well. So I can click that on Facebook as well. I'm just going to turn that off for now. I'm quickly going to post this so you can see what it looks like, but then I need to delete it because it's a really random video. So I'm going to click post. It's that simple, but hang on in there, some other stuff I want you to see. So we're going to click post right now. So as you can see now, it says finishing up on the screen. So let me quickly show you. There we go. So can you see it's come? Oh, if you want to give me a follow and say you've come from this video, I'd really appreciate that. At official Veena V is my username. So if we scroll down here, there we go. Can you see I've updated the thumbnail for the video? This is the video here. And can you see at the bottom it says watch IGTV video? So once the 1 minute is up on this video, it's going to transfer the person to IGTV, but it's all from your profile. This is so powerful. And can you see the description comes up there as well? Let me quickly delete this before anybody sees it. Oh my God, I need to, right, remove preview. So just cutting in here, so can you see that it's deleted from my actual Instagram feed, but now I need to go into IGTV, which is this icon here next to the feed, and it's still there and 3 people have watched it. Oh no. So I quickly need to click on that video.
So I am just gonna put
this down, and then I am going to click on these 3 dots at the bottom. Can you see? And then I'm gonna click on delete. Now that has been deleted from my IGTV and from my Instagram feed. That is how you can upload longer than 1 minute videos to Instagram using IGTV. If you enjoyed this, please do subscribe. Loads more tutorials like this on the way. There's a whole playlist for you all about how you can get started on Instagram and IGTV. And if you are determined to get visible, okay, you want to be making more videos, YouTube is your only long-term marketing strategy. Sign up right now to my free 60-minute training, and I'm going to show you how I got past 10,000 YouTube subscribers by being highly inconsistent. Just go to 10kyourway.com and I will see you in the next video. Be a happiness hustler. I love you. Bye.